And here's the old CDI box. That purple wire is cut. I just cut it. And then we've got the black and the white, and then there's the ground strap there. That's the old one. Maybe yours looks similar, maybe even has similar numbers on it. Not sure. This is a 91 Kawasaki SC 650. This is the Super Chicken, and the CDI box needed to be replaced. So, of course, I bought the box, and the wiring doesn't match up with the wiring on the old box. So I just sent a quick email out to the seller on eBay, and they just messaged me back and said, no, we don't have any wiring information at all. So when you buy this aftermarket Chinese CDI replacement unit, it has a black ground strap, of course, which goes here. They both have that same black ground strap, so that's the same on both. And then the Chinese one comes with a black wire with a dual connector here, and a brown wire and a green wire. So, and then on the old one, it's black, purple, and white. These three wires. So, of course, we look over here. We'll see. We'll see the corresponding colors here. We got black. And if we follow this one, you can see there, purple, okay, and the other one, white. So, it's brown to white. I just pulled this one off because I'm not done quite yet. It's black to black on this double one. Black to black. I gotta connect that better and tape it. Okay, it's brown to white, and it's green to purple, and that should get you going. And if you want to, you could screenshot this. Maybe I'll go inside where we can see it better. And that should get you going. If your color codes are the same, which I imagine they are for most of these, there we go. Original on the left, and the aftermarket CDI unit on the right. So it's black to black, purple to green, white to brown, and you do have to either hardwire or change one of the connectors because they don't actually, not all three of them plug directly in. Two of the three do, and then one you have to change the end. And then, of course, on the bottom are two black grounds that go to the case, and then that's it. Hope it helps.